Imagine looking at your desk in 2026. You see a massive screen. The screen is so thin it looks like a single sheet of glass. The colors are the brightest you have ever seen. The blacks are perfectly dark. And inside this ultra-thin screen is a total monster. A chip so powerful it can handle any heavy task in the world without breaking a sweat. Welcome to the return of the iMac Pro. Apple has been hiding a huge secret from us. We just got a massive new leak. The giant iMac is finally coming back, and it is bringing incredible, unbelievable power with it. This is a huge deal for Apple fans everywhere. For years, we waited for a bigger iMac. We thought Apple simply forgot about it. But they did not forget. They were just waiting for the perfect time. And that time is coming very soon. We have so much ground to cover today. We have brand new leaks about the design. We have leaks about the amazing M5 Max chip. We even have rumors about an ultra-powerful chip and a beautiful OLED display. This could truly be the ultimate desktop computer. So let us dive into all the amazing details right now. First, we really need to talk about a legend that we recently lost. Apple officially killed the Mac Pro. For a very long time, the Mac Pro was the biggest and baddest machine in the Apple lineup. It was the absolute top of the line. You could open it up easily. You could add new parts whenever you wanted. It was an absolute beast of a machine. But sadly, that era is completely over. Apple moved on to new things. They replaced the giant tower with a much smaller Mac Studio. The Mac Studio is a great computer. It is small and very powerful, but its arrival created a huge gap in the market. People who love the giant Mac Pro are left wanting more. They want an all-in-one machine. They want everything built into one beautiful, massive display. This big, empty space in the market is exactly why Apple is bringing back the large iMac. Let's look back at 2021 for a moment. That was a big year for the Mac. Apple completely redesigned the standard iMac from the ground up. They took the old 21-inch model and made it a beautiful 24-inch machine. It came in stunning, bright colors. It featured the brand new M-series chips. Over time, it received the M3 and M4 chips to keep it fast. People absolutely love the 24-inch iMac today. It is the perfect family computer. You see it everywhere you go. It is sitting in offices. It is used in restaurants. It sits perfectly on reception desks around the entire world. It is a fantastic starter computer for anyone. But many of us want something much more powerful. We want a machine built for heavy, demanding work. Apple completely knows this. They know professional users are waiting patiently. But here is the highly interesting part. Apple is not going to make a 27-inch iMac. We saw detailed reports back in 2023. These reports were very clear. Apple has absolutely no plans to replace the old 27-inch Intel iMac with a brand new 27-inch model. At first, this news made people sad, but it actually makes perfect sense when you think about it. Think about what Apple did before. They upgraded the small 21-inch to a 24-inch screen. So they're going to do the exact same thing with the big model. They will not settle for just 27 inches anymore. They're going bigger. Much bigger. We're talking about a massive 30-inch display, or maybe even a giant 32-inch display. This makes the new iMac a true powerhouse canvas for creative work. And with a much bigger screen comes the need for much better internal power. In December 2025, a massive leak dropped on the internet. This leak told us exactly what Apple is doing behind closed doors. Apple is currently testing a larger iMac, and they're putting the super powerful M5 Max chip inside it. This makes total, complete sense. Think about the current MacBook Pro laptops. The 14-inch and 16-inch models handle the Max chips perfectly fine. Those laptops are incredibly thin and light. Even with the thin design, they manage to keep the powerful chips cool under pressure. Now imagine taking that exact same thin design and stretching it across a massive 32-inch display. The cooling would be incredibly easy for Apple to handle. So putting an M5 Max in a giant iMac is a genius move. It will provide massive performance without needing a thick, bulky, heavy body. But the rumors do not stop there. In March 2026, things got even more exciting for us. A brand new leak surfaced online. This look, AK said Apple is secretly working on Ultra devices right now. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg shared some crazy whispers with the world. He said we might see a MacBook Pro with an Ultra chip soon. But much more importantly, he mentioned an iMac with an Ultra chip. This would be completely mind-blowing. An Ultra chip inside an all-in-one desktop would completely destroy the competition. It would offer power we have never seen in an iMac. But wait, it gets even better. Later in March 2026, we got another crazy leak. This one is all about the actual screen technology. Apple is planning to use a stunning OLED display for this massive new iMac. OLED technology is truly incredible. It gives you perfect, deep black levels. It gives you insane color contrast. It makes every single video and photo pop right out of the screen. Now, Apple could technically put an OLED screen on the smaller 24-inch iMac, but they will not do that right away. They want to save the absolute best screen technology for their most premium, expensive machine. An OLED iMac would be a literal dream come true for creative professionals everywhere. So, when is this beautiful monster actually coming out? All the signs strongly point to WWDC 2026. June 2026 is the perfect, most logical time for a massive desktop launch. Right now, Apple has updated almost all their laptops with the newest chips, but the desktop Macs are slowly falling behind. The Mac Mini, the 24-inch iMac, and the Mac Studio are all waiting for a major upgrade. WWDC 2026 is the ultimate world stage to upgrade all these desktop computers at once. We could see the tiny Mac Mini get the M5 and M5 Pro chips. We could see the mighty Mac Studio get the M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips. And standing right next to them could be the brand new, breathtaking 32-inch iMac Pro. There's another massive reason why 2026 is so incredibly important. The year 2026 marks Apple's 50th anniversary as a company. This is a huge milestone for them. Desktop computers are what made Apple what it is today. Remember when Steve Jobs finally returned to Apple in the late 90s? The company was struggling badly to survive. He launched the bright, colorful iMac G3. It was a massive global hit. It saved the entire company from bankruptcy. It started a massive technology revolution. Releasing a giant, ultra-powerful anniversary iMac in 2026 will be the perfect way to celebrate exactly 50 years of Apple history. It ties everything together so beautifully. Now, we really have to talk about the price. How much will this premium dream machine actually cost you? The final price will depend entirely on the screen Apple uses. If Apple really includes a giant 30-inch or 32-inch OLED display, you need to prepare your wallet right now. It is going to be very, very expensive. We are talking easily over $4,000 for the base model. Think about the current Apple prices. A simple Mac Studio with an M4 Max chip currently costs $2,000, and that box has no screen at all. If you want to add Apple's top-tier Pro Display XDR, that is another massive $5,000 on top. So an all-in-one iMac with a giant OLED screen and a blazing fast M5 Max chip will likely cost around $5,000 minimum. If Apple decides to skip the super expensive OLED screen and use mini LED technology instead, the price will definitely drop. A mini LED version could easily start around $3,800 or $4,000. A fully loaded 16-inch MacBook Pro with an M5 Max chip already costs nearly $4,000 today. So pricing a giant, beautiful desktop around that exact same mark makes total sense. Yes, it will definitely be a very expensive purchase. But remember, it is replacing the mighty, super expensive Mac Pro. It is strictly meant for the absolute top professionals who need serious computing power. In my honest opinion, this new product is going to be completely worth every single penny. Having a beautiful, all-in-one, clean desk setup with absolutely no messy wires everywhere is amazing. Adding an incredible, massive OLED screen to that setup is a huge bonus. And backing it all up with the insane, raw power of an M5 Max or an M5 Ultra chip makes it simply unbeatable. It gives video creators, designers, and coders exactly what they have been begging Apple for. It officially brings back the classic magic of the large iMac, but takes it to a whole new galaxy of speed and performance. I genuinely believe this will be the most exciting desktop computer Apple has released in over a decade. It is bold, it is beautiful, and it is going to change the way professionals work. What do you guys think about this massive new iMac Pro? Would you spend over $4,000 on a giant powerhouse machine like this? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.